Hello children, good morning. What's the matter? How are you all? Are you all fine? Yes. I hope you all are doing well. I am also fine. Okay. Today we are going to start 9th class physical science first chapter, that is matter around us. Okay. So this matter, when I entered into the class and I started the video, I asked what is the matter? A common man can use the word matter in different ways. What is the matter? The matter is closed, like that. But according to the scientist, the term matter has quite different meaning. Okay, in the previous classes, you have learned about metals, non-metals, acids and bases, natural fibers, synthetic fibers, etc. These are all considered as matter. These are all examples of matter which have different sizes, different shapes. Okay, and not only this, the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and anything that is present around us, anything, any substance that we use in our day-to-day life can be called as a matter. So these are all the general examples of a matter. But according to the scientist, what is the definition of a matter? How can we define matter? Okay, there is a particular definition to a matter. Matter is anything in this world that can occupy space and has mass. Okay, I wrote here. Anything in this world that occupies space and has mass is considered as matter. Okay, and matter has different states of matter. A matter can exist in 3 different states. There are 3 possible states for a matter. They are solid, liquid and gas. Okay, for example, if you take water, water is the substance which can exist in all the 3 states, that is in solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. The solid state of water is called as ice. You all know. The liquid state of water is called water. The gaseous state of water is called water vapor or steam. Okay. Not only water, there are different liquids are there. There are many liquids are there around us. That is milk, petrol, alcohol, kerosene, etc. So many examples we can give for a liquid. But these liquids are different from one another. There are some properties for a liquid. So there are some properties for solids. Similarly, there are some properties for gases. We have to learn the properties of solids, liquids and gases. Okay. For example, if you take a solids. Solids means the substance which can have, here I wrote solids have definite shape and fixed volume. Why I wrote like this? Because you all know what are solids. You can give many examples. For example, this marker, this board, this wall or anything you can take, this glass, everything. These are all comes under solids. So these solids, whenever these solids are dropped down, they do not flow. Solids do not have flowing property. They are strong, rigid, fixed boundaries. They have some fixed boundaries and a definite shape. They do not lose their shape. They have some fixed shape. That's why I wrote here, solids have definite shape and fixed volume. Okay, then coming to liquids. So generally, liquids have the property to attain the shape of the container in which they are present. For example, if we take different shapes of containers and take the liquid in all the different containers and observe the shape of the liquid in all the different containers. For example, I will take this one. Here I have taken different the containers of different shapes. Okay, this one, this small glass, this big glass, small glass, and a cup. This is a bowl, and I am going to pour some water in all these containers. Just observe. So I have poured water in all the 4 containers, and when I poured water, do water have any shape, any particular shape? No. In whatever the container the water is poured, the water attained the shape of that particular container only. When I poured the water in the glass, it has attained the shape of this glass. When I poured the water in a bowl, the water has attained the shape of the bowl. Just like that, the water in the cup, it has attained the shape of the cup. Like this. Not only water, if you take any liquid, always it will be attains the shape of the container in which it is poured. That's why I wrote here, shape of the liquid depends on the shape of the container. Liquids do not have any particular shape. But then what happens when a liquid is flow? liquid is dropped down, what happens? The liquid will be flowing from one place to the other place. Okay, that's why liquids do not have a particular shape. That's why we have to remember liquid depends on the shape of the liquid depends on the shape of the container. It does not have a definite shape. Similarly, it does not. It will be having liquids have fixed volume. Why? Because if you take a 50 ml water in a container, 50 ml water in a container, and for example, this glass, 50 ml water in this container, and I will mark up to there, up where it is present. Suppose 50 ml water up to here it is there. This is the 50 ml water. Volume of the water is 50 ml. Then remove this water and again pour the milk in the same container up to the mark where I kept this mark. Up to this mark, if you take the milk, again that milk volume will be also equal to 50 ml. And if you take any other liquid and pour up to this mark again, that liquid also the volume can be taken as 50 ml. So depending upon the shape of the container, liquids have the shape of the container. Liquids always attain the shape of the container, but they have fixed volume. They have fixed volume. So like that we can say liquids have fixed volume. And liquids can flow easily. Just now I said that liquids can flow easily. So that's why they are also called as fluids. Liquids are called as fluids. Similarly, gases. For gases we can take many examples like CNG. We can take examples here. CNG. CNG in the sense compressed natural gas. Full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. Similarly, we have LPG, which is used LPG gas in our kitchen cylinders, as well as LPG is also used in automobiles also. So LPG is full form is a liquefied petroleum gas. It's liquefied petroleum gas and compressed natural gas. Not only these two gases, there are many other gases which are present in our atmosphere. That is oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, carbon dioxide gas. These are all the examples of gases. And coming to the shape and volume, gases neither have fixed shape nor have fixed volume. Do they have fixed shape, children? No, gases do not have fixed shape. In this classroom also, the gases will be occupying. And whatever may be the volume of the container, in entire volume of the container, the gases will be occupying. Okay, so gases can change their volume according to the volume of the container. If you keep the gas in a small container, the gas will be in that container, in the small container, its volume will be less. When the same gas when you place in a large container, then the gas can expand and its volume also will be large according to the container. So gases do not have a fixed volume. Gases may change their volume. Gases can expand, gases can compress. Thereby they can change their volume. That's why we can say that gases do not have a fixed volume. And similarly they do not have a definite shape. So these are some properties. There are still many other properties are there for solids, liquids and gases. We have seen only the basic properties here. Once again you see children, solids have definite shape and fixed volume. Whereas liquids do not have definite shape. The shape of the liquid always depends on the shape of the container. Liquids have fixed volume. Liquids can flow easily and therefore they are called as fluids. Then gases neither have fixed shape nor have fixed volume. And here gases are also called as fluids because gases also can flow easily. Therefore liquids and gases can be called as fluids. Okay. Write down some main points from this video. Okay children.